You don't buy an RWB Porsche, you survive one. Because this isn't just a Caritza machine that gets cut open with a saw, rebuilt by one man and turned into something Porsche purists either worship or absolutely hate. And today, we're breaking down the RWB 993, the most controversial, raw, and iconic outlaw Porsche build on the planet. Part 1. What is RWB? RWB stands for RAUH-Welt Begriff, German name, Japanese origin, global obsession. It was created by Akira Nakai, a guy who didn't come from luxury, didn't come from engineering school, but built a worldwide car cult using nothing but passion, cigarettes, and a grinder. RWB isn't a company in the traditional sense. There's no factory line, no mass production. Every single RWB car is built by Nakai himself. He flies to your country, shows up with tools, and hand builds your car in front of you. And that's where things get wild, because the base of many legendary RWB builds is the Porsche 993. Part 2, why the 993? The 993 is special. It's the last air-cooled Porsche 911 ever made. No modern electronics controlling everything, no artificial driving feel, just pure mechanical driving, rear-wheel drive, and a personality that can literally kill you if you don't respect it. That alone already makes it a legend. But RWB takes it further. Instead of preserving it like a museum piece, they cut into it. Yes, actual cutting. Widebody fenders are not bolted on cleanly like modern kits. Nakai takes a saw, slices into original Porsche metal, and permanently transforms the car. To some people that's art, to others that's a crime. Part 3, the build process. This is where our WB becomes something else entirely. The build isn't just mechanical, it's almost spiritual. Picture this. A clean Porsche 993 sitting in a garage, owner watching nervously. Nakai walks in. No rush, no big speech. He lights a cigarette, grabs a marker, and starts drawing directly on the car. No templates, no measurements, just instinct. Tenkuchi? The body gets sliced open. Fenders are drilled and riveted on massive wide arches installed. The car transforms in real time, over 12 to 24 hours. Sometimes longer. The 993 turns into something aggressive, low, and completely unrecognizable. And the craziest part, no two RWB builds are the same. Every car is unique because it's built by hand, by feel. Part 4, design and style. RWB 993s don't try to look subtle. They look like they belong on a racetrack in 1995 and also in a cyberpunk movie. Key features: ultra-wide body kits, exposed rivets, deep dish wheels, extremely low ride height, massive rear wings, and the stance. The car sits so low it looks like it's glued to the road. It's aggressive, loud, almost rebellious. The design doesn't follow modern trends. It ignores them. That's why RWB cars feel timeless. They're not trying to impress everyone. They're made to express something raw. Part 5, performance vs reality. Here's where people get confused. RWB is not primarily about performance. Yes, the 993 itself is fast. Yes, some builds get upgraded engines and suspension. But the core of RWB is aesthetic plus emotion, not lap times. You're not building the fastest Porsche, you're building the most personal one. Some purists hate this. They argue, you're ruining a classic 993, you're destroying engineering perfection. And honestly, they're not wrong. But they're also missing the point. RWB isn't about preserving history. It's about rewriting it. Part 6 cult status and global HYP. RWB isn't just a car build. It's a lifestyle brand. Owners wait months, sometimes years, just to get Nakai to build their car. And when he arrives, it's an event. Fans gather, cameras roll. It feels more like a live performance than a car modification. That's why RWB cars hold insane emotional value. You're not just buying parts. You're buying a story. Ending thought, 14:30 to 15 o'clock. So yeah, an RWB 993 isn't for everyone. It's loud, it's controversial, it breaks rules, but maybe that's exactly why it matters. Because in a world full of perfect, factory-built machines, RWB reminds us that imperfection, when done with passion, can become something unforgettable.